Look at that. The little froggies. It's so cute. Okay, we're done canoeing. We got in 50,000 collision courses and almost died. And wormy worm.
Yeah, you can go to like
Papa
a
Beach.
YMCA or
Whoa. Hold that.
a lot of places and take swimming lessons.
So this is a fun day at Gallup Park canoeing. But first we gotta teach Carolyn how to swim because I think she was too petrified of falling in the lake on tipping in a canoe and not knowing how to swim and drowning. So we just gotta teach her how to swim next. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, that's my brother, by the way. And that's my poopa. My Papa Beach.
You shooting right now?
Yep. Are you shooting right now?
Taking some photos.
Taking some YouTubers. In your face. Bye. And I'll end on the lovely frog spitting water out note.